Hello guys, we are in Andamans. Actually, we reached day before yesterday. No, we reached yesterday, but we left from Raipur day before yesterday. So basically, यहाँ आने के लिए काफ़ी लंबा time लगता है. You have to like take flights. There are direct flights only from Calcutta, Chennai, Delhi, maybe like thrice a week or something. And so yeah, we flew from Raipur to Kolkata, then Kolkata to Port Blair. And Port Blair हम early morning पहुंच गए, so we had to take a ferry all the way. So the lights just went out. होता रहता है. But any which ways, Port Blair से ferry लेके we reached here after 2 hours. I have taken the clips for everything, but it was all a very chill day yesterday. We had a few hours to kill at Port Blair, so we went to Cellular Jail and you didn't know that the first flag for independence was hoisted in Andamans in Port Blair, so in 1943. So it has like a place where a huge Indian flag is there, and also 1943 is encrypted. So we went like 2-3 places we had time to kill. So yes, we went over there.
This place, I respect our freedom fighters. I do.
We are on our way to Havelock Island and अभी हमने ferry लिया Port Blair से. It's so humid out here.
It's a luxurious.
Nautica की ferry है and we have taken the.
नहीं तुम नहीं बोलो मैं बोलो.
अच्छा बोलो.
नहीं तुम बोलो.
बोलो.
तुम
तुम्हारा birthday. It's his birthday. तुम बोलो तुम्हारा birthday.
Yeah, so we are on board the Nautica luxury cruise ferry, whatever, and we are going to Havelock Island. Yeah, we are having a staycation for 3-4 days in Havelock. Now we're gonna see the rainbow.
It's raining with this much amount of sunlight. We are in Havelock Island. It's totally reminding me of Maldives all the time, but it's a very pretty place. The water is so blue. Any which ways, so हमारा कल का दिन, it was all very relaxed kind of a thing. We were by the pool for hours, by the beach. By the way, we are staying at this place called Tilar Siro. It's a property by CGH Earth and it's a very beautiful property. I have recorded a room tour yesterday, so I'll put that over here because it's all messed up now. Like, it's totally messed up, but just look at the detailings that you can see here and there a little bit, and it has a lot of natural light. So in fact lights aane ke baad it's back, but lights aane ke baad bhi there is so much of sunlight.
Indian time means like here is time.
Because here sunset is coming at 5 o'clock, 5:50.
Okay.
Sunrise is happening 4:45 early.
This is a very pretty property. It's just by the beach, and yes, that's about it. But we are checking out, and we are heading to Taj Exotica for 2 days. It's husband's birthday, so this trip is about that. So we are heading over there. We'll be checking out from Talar Siro, but it's an amazing property. I had no idea the property will be so beautiful. They have a few activities planned out, but हमारे इतना hectic travel के बाद we just wanted to relax, so we didn't do much. But yes, chilled by the pool and beach, and I'm all ready. We are checking out. Absolutely love my look. I don't know how and why whenever I'm in a beach destination my skin is always glowing. I don't know, it improves within a day. I don't know how. But yes, I got this dress. It's from Desigual. I got it from, I think, Spain. Yes, so I got it from there. Husband is back. We have to pack. So just after this video, I'm gonna continue packing. Oh no, he is getting ready. He's not
Yeah,
packing.
I am tuning with my baby over here. I am in all orange and orange.
But I'm pink. This is
Kind
not
of tuning,
orange.
kind of tuning. I think you will get it, right?
And that's it. I have been speaking for too long, so I'm gonna stop now and carry on with that day. See ya. How is this water so clear? We are at the Kalapathar beach, and
Kalapattu में पूरा white sand है.
yeah, it has all white sand, and this place is unreal, unreal. तुम अपने मैचिंग का नारियल पानी ले रहे हो.
हाँ.
नश्वरित नाम सा ककाय लाउरे मुख महुआ मुख यारा मुख मता हेडरे ये विनाच चिंगनिया dominate what you tare you please to see beach and waves all along amazing grace you would be mesmerizing fall in love.
क्या बता रही हो तुम?
अरे ऐसे ये एकदम लेवल पे नहीं बनाते, थोड़ा उठा
हाँ।
के प्रॉपर्टी।
थोड़ा सा अगर मतलब पानी भरे तब भी
हाँ हाँ।
वहाँ मिल जाएगा।
और वहाँ से this is our room, Taj. It's massive. The rooms are literally massive, and the bed has the view of this. Here are some things, a beautiful picture of the fish, and
See the bottles. The bottles are absolute vodka shaped bottles.
he's interested only in drinks.
See. Sorry.
And the best part, I loved it. I love this area. But here we have two basins. I think this is a very typical thing of Taj resorts. It's always there. So here, and also they gave us this bracelet that I forgot to show you beforehand. This one's mine, but this is what they gave us. It's pretty. I'm gonna wear this only. So here are the basins, and I think I look good. I think I haven't shown you my full outfit, but yes, this is my outfit. Full look. This is husband's outfit, and here we have the bathtub that we're gonna use it afterward. It's so weird. We have been seeing it from yesterday. अभी यहाँ पर इतना धूप निकला हुआ था and it suddenly has started raining. But loving it. Andamans for you guys.
Hey, you have sunscreen क्या?
हाँ. Not my place, it's husband's, but let's see if I'll come here, if husband can bring me here. And it has got pretty trees, real trees, so it's a nice gym location. We are heading to the beach, which is famous for sunset. But as बारिश हो रही है, so there will be no sunset. But we are heading to the world's best 7th number beach in the world.
Yay!
So I think maybe sun आ जाए तो अच्छा होगा. But this is the way.
Yay!
And it's just
Yay!
ये kayaking activities जो होती है.
Yay!
Hello guys, so we have been having the best vacation so far. We are chilling by the pool right now and it's amazing. It's husband's birthday today.
Yay!
We just did some swimming. This trip he has taught me how to swim, so I can swim a little now. But yes, we went for scuba diving today. Although I didn't do it, but he did, and it was amazing. Plan for the evening is to go to Radhanagar beach, which is just right in front of me, and hopefully we'll be able to watch sunset today. Had an amazing spa. They even gave us this tulsi mala at the end of the spa, and it was so good. Had a little massage, Indian aromatherapy. So good. Happy birthday to you. Blow, candle blow karo. Failed attempt in making heart photo. After making such a big heart, tab bhi nahi hua. I don't know how it's done. And we have taken out a whole lot of sand, and there's some. अब तो ये हार्ट भी नहीं लग रहा है.
Where is it?
वीडियो है.
Mirror phone, are you using my phone for balancing?
For support.
What support? What is this? What is this? Give me my phone back. I want my phone back. I want my phone.
So that is it from Havelock Island. We are in the jetty and ready to head to Port Blair. And start over here, I guess so. But yes, we had a great time at Havelock Island, and the staycation was amazing. हम आए थे Nautica ferry से. Now we're heading back to Mackerroos. I don't know, हमारी sitting Nautica में ज़्यादा अच्छी थी, but the cafe behind us and all, Mackerroos has it. Let's head to Port Blair and we'll continue the stories from there.
बढ़िया चीज़ है उधर सामने कारविन.
क्या है?
कारविन बीच, साउथ पॉइंट.